My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware type application, which is called TravelSmart. TravelSmart is a special program. The developers of this program indicate that by installing it, you'll be able to find some relevant information related to traveling worldwide. But maybe this feature is helpful for some people, but the trouble is that this TravelSmart program actually operates as adware. Once installed into the computer, it starts displaying the great portion of pretty intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. This TravelSmart adware is also often integrated with many free applications. So in most of the cases, people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. And after it gets installed, the adware just shows the tremendous amount of annoying ads. The adware may display its new tabs, pop-ups, and of course its multiple advertisements. What you need to do is to get rid of it immediately. So go to the control panel of your computer, go to Programs and select Uninstall a program. When you find this TravelSmart, right-click on it and select the option to uninstall and remove this application fully from your computer. Of course, if you find any other suspicious programs, get rid of them. Very often it happens that visually the computer is free of threats, but still there is something bad taking place. There may be other traces of malware or adware in the system. My recommendation is that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.